I am Dr. Balakrishnan, Professor of Pathology, retired Professor of Pathology, Government Medical College, Kozhikode. Now in my house in the city, I have arranged a rainwater harvesting system. This is a new system. It is called domestic multiple fiber tank method of rainwater harvesting. Domestic called, it is primarily meant for domestic purposes, though it can be extended to a higher level or to a ordinary small level. It is called multiple because several tanks are fiber tanks are used. So domestic multiple fiber tank, it is fiber tank, not the old sorrow cement tank. The basic feature is that this is terrace operated. Most all the filtration collection, then distribution tanks are all kept on the terrace, so that from the terrace itself water can be supplied to all parts below the terrace. That is one special advantage. So this one is the fiber sheet, sloping fiber sheet, and it's a large area, primarily constructed to prevent the leakage. For ordinary unit, 1/5 of this area will do. Now the water falls on this sloping fiber sheet row and flows in below into the channel, PVC channel. This is a PVC offset, and water flows into this, and which is the PVC channel is the transport media. And in this PVC channel, these filter media materials are placed. That is the broken tiles, then gravel, then jelly, then old pieces, and finally the river sand. And the water from this filtered water from this PVC channel comes to the end of the PVC channel and falls through the holes in the at the end of the PVC channel, and through that water falls into the a basin which is kept at the top opening of the filtration collection fiber tank, and this basin also is filled with same filter material as it is in the channel. So this is called basin filter. The first one is channel filter. So water gets double filtration, then falls in the 500 ml, 500 liter fiber tank, and before that, when the sheet surface, then the channel and material all can be chlorinated by throwing chlorine water on the sheet. Now this is from the other side of the filtration collection tank, and when the tank fills water, the outlet is on the top side. Two outlets are there. One is this outlet and another one is there. It's a separate tube. So the first outlet, the water flows through a blue, a green plastic tube, and it goes far away beyond the terrace and into the through a big 2000 liter capacity tank at the ground, on the ground. So the second outlet, and it can be said the main outlet, again from another surface, top, through the PVC tube. It comes all the way to a little distance, and then water is taken to the tank kept in a trench, and this is the first storage distribution tank. Water is stored in this one, and from this through another tube by T connection goes to a second storage distribution tank, then a little away third storage distribution tank, and these tanks are kept in a trench, and that is in a peculiar way of construction of the tower. So 3 storage distribution tanks in the tower. Which the other 2 storage distribution tanks are kept, the 4th and 5th. So total 5 storage distribution tanks, and from the upper part of the storage distribution tank there is an outlet when the 5th tank also is filled. So that from the through that outlet water goes down on the ground to a tank kept on the ground in the washing and cloth washing area. The fiber sheet, sloping fiber sheet, then there is the channel, 2 tanks are here. For an ordinary house, this much area, this type of setup is ideal. It's about 200 square feet, and can keep totally 3 tanks will do, 1 filtration and 2 storage. One of the storage tanks can be kept on the ground also. So filtration collection tank and storage distribution tank. So water can be taken to all the parts of the house, and that to the water to the ground bottom level, lower level can be taken through these various types of various tubes kept in different tanks. Or distribution of the water can be effected through two-way valves. The water supply can be connected to the tube of the main water supply coming from the tank of the well water or the water authority water. The stored well water or water authority water from the tank, the connection is taken, and to that connection, the main connection, the rainwater supply can be affected by a two-way valve. Now we will talk about the filter. Filter is the heart of a rainwater harvesting system. 2 types of filters. One is the channel filter, second is the basin filter. It is a basin filter which is more important. Now the basin filter is filled with, already told, with filter media and in layers, and each layer is separated by a fine nylon net cloth, and at the bottom is kept some further nylon net cloth. Now, it is like this. This is the vessel, a basin shape, but with the lower end tapering. This is actually a rice strainer with so many perforations. So it's an aluminium type. You can get the stainless steel type also. See? Now we will discuss the various filtration material is kept. Already I told you bottom some nylon plastic net sheet, and over that a layer of this net cloth is spread, and over which the first material, that is the pelli, small pieces of these granite pieces, small granite pieces are spread. Then next is the gravel, river sand gravel, and again over that another sheet is spread. Third is the next is the ordinary sand, river sand. Then next is the coal particle, and next is the finally broken tiles. So these are kept in layers. Items, each of those items are spread on nylon net cloth, so that for cleaning purposes that will be very easy. So the nylon net cloth, it can be folded and just lifted like this, so that easy to dip in water for cleaning. So 3 or 4 times it in water and finally in chlorine water. So things get cleaned before setting finally setting the basin filter. Now finally after setting the filter, the whole thing can be further chlorinated. The seat, the channel, material inside, the basin, the material inside, put by just throwing this clear chlorine water. So water comes on the sheet and to the channel filter, and then through the holes at the end of the channel, falls into the filtration collection tank. Storage distribution tank. There will be houses where already sheet is there. In that case, that sheet need not be kept separately, and about 10,000 rupees saving will be there. And at the edge of the sheet there will be the channel. So make a small hole in the channel by heating a tube. Just press it, and you get a channel, that quite round hole. And through that hole, water falls in another channel which is kept perpendicularly to the first channel. And this channel also contains filter media material like this, broken tiles, coal particles, etc. And then water reaches the other through the tube into the channel end. This is a demonstration model which is kept. This second channel, perpendicular channel, is just suspended so that the level slope can be adjusted easily, and this does not require much of a technical work. Another way of taking the rainwater connection from a already constructed sheet and channel, and in some places the slope will be in the center of the channel, and from there falls on the ground through another tube. So just remove the tube and the drop end. This is the drop end. And drop end, there keep another channel kept perpendicularly as in the earlier method, just perpendicularly, and in the channel again is filled with filter media, and it falls, ultimately water falls on a filtration collection tank. This is another type of filtration collection tank, a barrel, and over which a basin is kept, and in which again the filter media is arranged. Thus, this is a unique system and can be called